So, hi guys, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This video is regarding my CA final advanced auditing booklets. Actually, I told you earlier as well that I have launched edition 2022. Edition like we have launched long back, almost around somewhere around January end or February first week. Just that I'm doing a video of that. Cover page and back cover has been completely changed. And you know the specialty of these books, this entire CA final material of advanced auditing, we did in question and answer format. Like you need not go and refer any question bank in the market that is available. Absolutely, if you rely on this book, if you properly read this book, completely neatly aligned, entire workings were neatly aligned, entire theory has been properly split into multiple questions and answers. Further, at the end of each chapter you will have again separate practice questions that are taken from ICS sources, that are taken from test your knowledge questions, that are taken from RTPs and MTPs. So this is just module 1. Actually module 1 is very big, so we split it into a sub part. This is module 1A, this is module 1A, and then you will have this module 2, very small module where some 3 chapters will be there, module 2. And finally past examination questions and RTPs, MTPs, some questions getting it past 4 to 5 attempts related main questions were covered as part of again separate question bank. And you know what, this question bank is to be read only along with these main materials. This is not a separate exclusive question bank. For your information, in this entire advanced auditing book, practical questions, test your knowledge questions and question bank questions all put together, minimum you will have 350 plus. In addition to that, entire subject is also drafted in question and answer format. So that is that I call it as concept questions and answers. Practice questions and answers, question bank questions, past examination all together will be additionally 350 plus. So that's about my CA final advanced auditing material. And you know what, for CA Inter also, for all 8 subjects, main material, solutions, a similar way we are going to bring within the next another 1 week. So that's it. That time I'll come up with another video with respect to CA Inter. And thanks for patiently watching the video. Like this video I did exclusively to clarify, because some students have some queries. So like what questions what books you'll be giving. I already made video. I already did explain what all that he's going to get. Just to give you one more idea about how with a hard copy material. So I just did this. So this is the bulk module that you're going to get. And I strictly tell these books have to be read only along with my classes. I don't recommend, because I don't even sell. You see, on this book, nowhere the price will be printed. So I will strictly tell students not to read this material separately. This material has been completely designed in line with my classes. That's it. Have a nice time. Bye. All the best.